This video is sponsored by Naman Agency.
Snake, have you ever heard of that Zomato notification sound? You know, whenever the Zomato's like it's a Friday, we're sending you some food over for free. Have you heard of that notification sound? It's that like a samurai or a ninja cutting something in midair. It's like those samurai ninjas. It's really cool. I'm not gonna lie. Okay, hey, listen to it. It's like this. Hold up. Yeah, zoom that time. Yeah, like that one. It's just really, and it's really cool. I'm not gonna lie, it is super cool. And you just have to listen to it once. You have to download Zomato for that. So in this episode, I'm gonna be talking about a phone I've talked about recently, and it's a really great phone. And we're not just gonna talk about it. I'm gonna show you the phone, hands on. Now, first of all, I just want to thank all my viewers who watched my first video, the Oppo Reno 4 Pro, where I did some random stuff and I talked about the phone while showing it on my laptop. And that was a weird experience, but now we finally got another phone hands on, and it's one of those Vivo X50. We've got the Vivo X50 guys in the house, and a weird setup, I'm not gonna lie. The lights and the everything, okay? The camera, and it's everything. We're shooting in 4K, ladies and gentlemen. Just want to tell you that. But I just want to thank everyone who watched the video once or twice or thrice or shared it to how many other people you wanted to share it to. And just thank you very much. And why don't we just go on to the showcase of our phone. Guys, this is the Vivo X50. And it's a really great phone. As you can see, it's got an HDR10 plus screen. It's got the selfie camera, as you can see on top. Now, something really famous about Vivo is that the camera, you can see it's got the 48 megapixel main camera on the top over there. It's got an 8 megapixel ultra wide camera on the second camera, which has got 120 degrees of wideness. And the next camera you can see is the professional portrait camera, the third camera over here, and this has got the 5 megapixel. This is the 5 megapixel macro shooter. As you can see, it's written over here AI quad camera, so it's a really good AI quad camera. So as you can see, you've got some flash going on over here, and the screen is really great. There's just so many vivid colors, as you can see. And the great thing about this is the fingerprint is so snappy. You could see that this is like one of the fastest in-display fingerprint going on over here. And as you can see, the screen has got a live wallpaper out of the box. Now I want to test it. I wanted to test the speaker on this phone, because usually, as you know, these are Chinese phones. So why don't we just check out the latest episode of Jeopardized Podcast. So in this episode, we're going to be talking about the Note 20 and Note 20 Ultra. As you heard, a fight with me and Snake. Goddamn, you still Snake, okay? You still suck, okay? So Samsung is stating that this is a PC in your pocket with a power. It's a really great speaker. It's a good speaker, okay? I'm not gonna lie, for a phone like this is a really good speaker. The phone is around 7.35 or 7.38 millimeters thick, and it weighs around 173 grams. This color is called the glaze black color. It's a really reflective back, as you can see, but you need to put the color clear case or any type of cases to reduce the fingerprints on the back of the screen. Now the phone has, as you can see over here, the speaker grill. It takes USB type C, and it's got the SIM tray on a really awkward position over here. On the other side of the phone, you can see the power button with a really different texture, and you can see the volume rockers, and on the top you can see the microphone. On this side of the phone you can see nothing, and it's a really great phone overall. You get this for 35,000 rupees, and it's a really great phone. You can buy this for 35,000 on Amazon. You can check it out on other devices as well. You can compare it with, there's also a Vivo X50 Pro. The camera on this phone is superbly great. I'm going to show you some pictures that I've taken on this phone. It's really great. Look at that. The focus change, the cap I'm wearing right now, and the background is shown, and the front is focused. As you can see, the background is with the laptop, and this is the cap. Now on this is the focus change. The background is now blurred. The laptop is blurred now, and you can see the Corbett cap is shown completely. This is the mouse with the laptop in the background, which is blurred, and it's really great. The camera. In this phone you have 20x zoom, and on the Vivo X50 Pro, I will show you that video. On the Vivo X50 Pro you have 50 times zoom, and it's really great. So I think you should buy this phone. For a proper review, you should just buy this phone. Look how snappy the fingerprint. This is one of the fastest fingerprint sensors, in-display fingerprint sensors I've seen. So that's all I want to tell you about this phone. It's really great. Go check it out, and just check it out and buy it for the camera.
Now, in case you didn't get to see the pictures, I'll show you the pictures now. So, as you can see in the first picture, we can see that there is a really cool mouse. That's my mouse, and in the background there's a laptop. The background is blurred, and I focused it on the mouse, and you can see the picture. It looks really cool. Now in the second picture, as you can see, I've focused on the Corbett cap that I was wearing during my video session, and in the background I've blurred my laptop. Now in the second picture, as you can see, I've changed the focus comparing to the first picture. I've changed it towards the laptop and the light which is in the background next to the laptop, and I've blurred the cap. Now the third picture is a really beautiful picture, and I really like it. That's why I decided to show you, and I used the macro shooter on the phone, and as you can see, you can literally see the little droplets. I went there out of after the rain, and you can see the little droplets on the leaf as well as the flower. Now even in the next picture, I've taken a picture of something. Okay, and it's a plant, and you can see the leaves, the droplets are there as well, and it's really beautiful picture. Now in this picture, I really wanted to show you the width of the normal camera, and I showed you some pictures of some plants, and it really shows the color, and it's really beautiful. And in the other picture, and in the next picture, this is probably the last picture, you can see I use the ultra wide lens, and you can see how wide it is, 120 degrees compared to the first picture. It's really beautiful.
As you saw on the first screen, this video was sponsored by Naman Agency, and I wanted to thank him very much for letting me borrow this phone. You should go and check out his place. Link the address in the description, and I hope you go and check it out. They sell really great varieties of phones at a really cheap price, and I'll try to do a collaboration with him, give him some discount code, and I'll let you know about that. Check my Instagram for daily updates, and if you want to know anything about this, you should contact me on my email address, which is jeopardizepodcast@gmail.com with a E, jeopardize with an E, and you can also contact me on my Instagram, DM me, which is Witzel Search with a Z or a Z. Contact me if you want to know anything else. Thank you. I hope you liked the video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you very much, and see you later.